Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2465th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. This is an exciting moment. I'll tell you why. You're looking at the Nasdaq Daily Bar for trading on Sunday through Monday. That would be June 24th. 2024. Remember, before we get into it, trading is risky. Trading of any vehicle at all is risky. Please know this. Put your stops in and put them in first before you enter into any live positions. So, Nasdaq Daily Bar. Moving up like gangbusters, right? Raging bull. Hits all-time highs, and the OMNI goes into pause mode on Thursday for Thursday, Friday. Well, Sunday night for Monday, markets haven't been open since Friday. Sunday night for Monday, it remains in pause mode. We are in neutral pause mode right now for the U.S. indices, and I find that interesting, and I'll show you why when you get to something even cooler, which will happen on Monday. Tomorrow, if you're watching this video on Sunday night, or it'll happen today if you're watching this video on Monday, this afternoon at 3 p.m. So, I am going to host a live webinar today, Monday. If you're watching this on Sunday, it's tomorrow afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern. Click the link below and find out the answer to this question. E-mini S&P and Nasdaq, will this continue, this rally, or will they finally break down? Is a question that's been posed to me by many of my Omniacs over the weekend and the last couple of days. Now I've got a chance to do a live webinar for Metastock at 3 p.m. on Monday, and I am going to answer that question for you. Click the link below and find out the answer to whether or not we continue higher, or are we finally going to start to break down. Live webinar today, Monday, 6/24. Click the link below now and register, and I will explain to the best of my ability technically what's going on out there and what we should expect moving forward. Traders, make sure you join in. If not, at least come to livewithoscar.com and hang out with me. I'm always there. Go to my live trading room, but I want you to see the webinar. It's free, so why not do it? Make sure you click the link below, get the registration link, and join me. And until I see you tomorrow afternoon, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Don't miss it. The live webinar today, Monday, 6/24 at 3 p.m. I will be performing. There's others before me and after. My portion is 3 p.m. Eastern. I will see you there. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you click the link below and register now.